Welcome to your dashboard, which gives you an overview of all your training repositories or modules. From here, you can create, edit, and assign your repositories and conversation scenarios to users in the front-end app. When users interact with the AI personas you created and go through a conversation scenario, they use tokens from your token balance. You can keep up to date with your account's token balance in the top right corner. As a welcome present, every new account receives 10,000 tokens for free. Let's build your first repository together from scratch. Your repositories contain your conversation scenarios and personas. Click the Create button to get to the repository menu. By the way, in the free tier you can create up to 3 repositories. Once you're in the menu, enter a name that describes the focus topic of the training repository. It will be visible to the users in the front end. Pick a concise name, so users immediately recognize what the topic is. Next, upload a cover image to represent the repository. This will be used in the front end. For best visibility, select a 16:9 format. Click the Create button, and you're ready to start with your persona creation. Click on Create Personas to get started. You're now in the Persona menu, where you create the AI persona and their characteristics, and outline the specific conversation scenario the front-end users will be practicing. Let's start by uploading an image to give your persona a face. You can also let it get animated later. Next, describe the simulation type for your scenario. Choose a concise header that provides a general information of the type of conversation. Enter the public description. This will be visible to the users in the front end while going through the conversation. Choose something informative so the users know what is expected from them. Then, name your AI persona and assign the role the AI should take on in the conversation scenario. This information will be visible to users in the front end. Now describe the AI persona, such as characteristics, speaking patterns, and motivation. This impacts the AI's conversation style and replies to the user. The next section lets you choose if the image you uploaded should be animated and speak to the user when going through the conversation in the front end. You must at least be subscribed to the free personal tier to use this feature. Be aware that an animated AI persona has a higher token consumption than a non-animated one. You can select to only show the face of the persona, which will look like this, or the full body, which zooms out of the image more like this. You can also enable full screen, which shows the persona across your whole mobile screen and allows you to show and hide the text as a transparent layer on top during the conversation. Next, select the voice your persona should speak with from the drop-down menu. You can listen to a sample to see if you like it. Define the role the user has in the scenario and what their goal should be. Add any additional information that you want considered in the scenario, such as personal or professional background of the AI persona, details of your products or organization, or specific marketing or sales campaigns that should be relevant. The more information you provide, the more detailed your conversation scenario. And finally, you have the option to give prompt instructions to the AI. For example, telling it how to react based on certain things the user says, or explicitly exclude certain reactions. This helps you to shape the conversation scenario even closer to the way you want it. Once you're done, click Save, which brings you back to the repository menu. To assign your repository to a front-end user, go to Manage Users, then Add User, and simply enter their email address. They will receive an email invitation with login credentials and see your repository in the app. And that's it. You can always return to your repository and edit it. But for now, happy chatting!